What is going on, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. My name is Austin Saldana. I'm a realtor here in California, and I wanted to share a couple of important things before getting your real estate license, just some things to consider. The first one being licensing requirements for your state, and that can look like the fees, the time it takes. I know personally, it took me about 6 months to do. That can be shorter, that can be longer. I know I was doing it during COVID. So things to look into is realestateexpress.com. I think it was about $150 for my course, all online. It was super awesome. So if you are looking into getting your license, look at Real Estate Express, but make sure to be timely with all of your background checks, your fingerprints. Make sure all that is updated to make sure you can expedite your process and get your licensing done as soon as possible. Number two is knowing the market you're in, especially in real estate, right? You're helping people sell their home, you're helping people buy their homes. Knowing your market, knowing your surroundings, knowing where things are shopping mall wise, parks, communities. You have to be an expert in your market. And if you aren't confident and you aren't an expert in your market, people will question you. And confidence is so important in any business in life in general, but in real estate, you have to have confidence when you're selling or buying such a huge asset to someone, right? Number three is the networking and marketing skills are probably the most important factor in real estate. You are working for yourself, you have got to put in the work, but meeting new people, going to events, that's all super important to get your name out there. Most people think, oh, I'm just going to start in real estate and I'm going to have business come to me. But that's not how it works. I've been in just under 2 years now, and it is a lot of work. You're working more than your W-2 job or an 8 to 5 because you're constantly having to door knock, cold call, open houses, go to events, talk to people. You've got to let people know you are a real estate agent. That is probably one of the biggest mistakes people make. Getting into real estate is not letting everyone know. Don't be a secret agent is what they say. So going to events, networking with people is super, super important. Number four is the financial side of things, right? So you have, like I said, your course fees, which is about $150. You have licensing fees, you have background checks, fingerprints. And then once you get your license, you get charged an MLS fee, which can range from $50 to $60 here in California, but all that varies depending on your state. So really, I think when I got into it, I was probably $1,000 in with everything. Like I said, the licensing, the coursing, background checks, fingerprinting. So just know it takes some time and money in order to get your license. So if you have a second job currently, keep that job until you get successful and you have enough business in real estate to subside that first job, and you can go full-time in it. The last one is time management and flexibility in your schedule. So that is the hard thing with real estate, is you have to be available for your clients for the most part, right? You set boundaries, you let people know, hey, on Sundays after 6 p.m., I don't respond to calls, texts, or emails. But for the most part, you're working weekends, you're on call for your clients. If they want to see a house at 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., you're there to show them the house because that's how you make money. You don't get paid hourly. It's all commission based. So being flexible in your schedule, being available for your clients, and giving them that customer service they deserve is super, super important. So hopefully that helps. Those were a couple things just to know, just to think about before we get into real estate. It is an amazing business. It is a hard business to get into, but if you're consistent and you stay the path, you will succeed. So any questions, any comments, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. It'll be more real estate, Airbnb based personal development stuff. So have a great night and talk soon. Peace.